Greensoul presents Soul Mid-Back Mesh Office Study Chair in breathable mesh and bold grey color. You'll get one breathable back mesh with fixed armrest and push-back mechanism. This chair has hydraulic cover and hydraulic gas lift. Base stand with wheels, 4 screws attached with seat, 3 screws for the back and 1 Allen key. Now, let's move towards the process of installation. Start with unscrewing the 4 screws attached with the seat. After this, attach the mechanism part with the seat and screw all 4 bolts. Tighten the screws with the help of the Allen key. Now, attach the back using Allen bolts. After screwing this, insert the gas lift into the center of the base. Then put hydraulic cover over the gas lift and turn the seat cushion upright and align the center hole of the seat plate over the lift and put the seat cushion down until connection is secure. You can adjust the height of the chair as per your comfort. To reduce the height, turn down the lever while seated, and to increase the height, simply get up and turn the lever knob. To easily tilt your chair backward, pull the control handle out and push the control handle back in. For further information of the product, visit our website.